This is the 2485. It's about to be replaced by its new second gen, the 3485. Right off the bat, the first thing to notice is it is a little bit taller, but it is going to be shorter overall because of the closer to motor collet size. So overall, it's not that much bigger. The handle is greatly improved. Again, the handle is kind of squeezed down in the middle here, so it's not this big, bulky, round one these ones handle. Not that these are too bad. I actually love this tool. It's been great to me, but just the improvement on the ergonomic design is easier to fit in the hand. Way better than the paddle lever. This one has been used quite a bit. You'll hear the vibration in the motor. Yeah, bearing or something going bad there. But it's still working to this day. One of the greatest improvements is this one has the light down here. It does illuminate the work surface, but this one carries the new Milwaukee style where the lighting is right where you need it. So these two outward facing LEDs will go past your accessory drive. Another great thing is that this one still uses that dual wrench design. You have to have a wrench here, like every other kind of collet design. But to speed up the process, the new Milwaukee has a one wrench accessory where this is the lock, locks it in, and then all you have to do is use one wrench to loosen it up. This one uses the new one wrench design, so we can put our collet in. We can actually loosen it up. It locks in. Just hold the button in one spot. Loosen the wrench, loosen your collet, piece in. Lock it back down. Then you have the thing ready to go. Easy mode button on the back, just like the old version. But we're gonna put them both in mode 4 to kind of show the thing. This one does carry a 20,000 RPM max, unlike the old version, which was 24,500. But to be honest, the working RPM, nowhere near that. There was a lot of complaints early on about the motor stopping. So we put our 2-inch accessory on this. So we're going to kind of compare that with a good battery. And I use the 2.5 amp hour new high output batteries, but like if you had a 2 amp hour or anything of the older version, just the red lithium standard, you would kind of maybe get some stopping if you put too much motor load on it. So what I'm kind of talking about is we're going to have this one step 4, switch the speed. You can stop it, and that protects the motor. But if you don't put that much force, you don't put super a lot of force into it, it did it just fine. But the new one, more power, more instead of the 0.3, 0.4 horsepower motor, put kind of full force and still dig right in. That's me. So it took that much to that was a lot of force being put into the board to get that to stop, to protect it. So the more powerful motor, great. I did use a 2-inch accessory. I did say a 3-inch accessory is the maximum. But that is a lot of force I'm putting into that, and I've divoted this board now to get that to stop. So overall, a lot more power. Like I said, way more control over this nicer handle. Because like the difference is like this gives you a lot of ergonomic control there. The big paddle shifter with the big kind of one thing on the old version, you know, you kind of had to side hold it, and it actually gave me a hand cramp over extended time unless I had a good grip at the bottom. So 3485 has improved, again, the lighting. You can see all the way around it. This did light the brighter LEDs. You can see this kind of has the light. It does emit, but this is like that true view LED lighting. Even though you're on the accessory, you can still see your surrounding. And if you tilt it, you can still see your working area very well, because those LEDs are kind of pointing at an angle. I like that a lot. As far as the metal working capacity, said using the old version. Still very good. New one with less RPM maximum, but a lot better. Really putting some force on that raised edge there, and it just did it no problem. Jesus, sliding. So, just trying to write my name there. Show you the control of it. It's pretty good. Like I said, that ergonomic design versus this one. I kind of actually did that better, so let's try that again. So just the new, I think that was just the fact that this is a new disc. Let's see what yeah. New Sandy disc gives you a lot more control. But you can see I was even finer with that one, and like I said, even though the RPM is technically slower, it's actually more RPM while it's working. Like that. Alright, so obviously the 3485 with the new ergonomic handle is obviously the great direction to go. The lighting is better, the accessory drive is better, the power is better, everything is better about it right away. These are going bare tool in the $200 range right now, $219, $220 on Home Depot's website and beyond. They also sell pair great with the Milwaukee has a 10-piece die grinder kit. Gives you the accessory to go right into it to use it as a die grinder polisher. Overall, it's, you can use 3-inch accessories, 2-inch cutoff wheels on it, but 3-inch pad wheels, like 36 grit, everything to remove material faster. You have more control, more power. It doesn't do the stopping thing that this one does. Overall, it's just the better option. The great improvement on the second gen over the first gen, solved the problems, and gave a better handle. I have said it like 30 times. I like the handle so much more, and it just feels bigger, more power, but it's lighter. Overall, like, so the handle and the activation switch is way better than the pin paddle that the old one does. So get it, guys. They sell the 2 battery pack and a M12 charger kit. Goes for like $350 plus tax on different websites. So mode control, LED lighting, trigger, everything improved upon it. Get you the new hotness. So can't speak enough about it. Really impressed by it. Love it. Go out and get it.